Hi everyone, in this video I'll quickly teach you how to insert and move around an image on Google Docs and give you a few different options to do so. So start by opening up your document and now go up in Insert. Now you simply want to go down to Image, click Upload from Computer if that's what you choose to do, and double click. And now you'll have an image that pretty much takes up the entire space on your Google Docs. So if you want to move around, first of all, you have a few different generic options down here. So you can do in line, so that means that will be in line with the text, of course. Then you can do so the text wraps around it. So if I click this, like I just did, and then I do so the image gets smaller, you can see how the text wraps around depending on where I place. So I could place it right here, and the text will automatically adjust around it. Another option is to break the text. So that means that if I do this, you can see that the text will wrap around the image itself. Another option is to do so the image is behind the text. So if you wanted this to take up a large chunk of the page and let's say make the text wide, like so. If you want to have like a Christmassy document or similar, you can simply do this. I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna go back. So now we have another option which is in front of text, and now you simply hide the text behind it. But that's probably not what you want. So you also have some other options, which is go up here, and you can go down, click size and rotation, text wrapping. So you have the same options right here as I showed you. Um, but here, if you want to wrap the text, so let's do this again. You can do so that the text wraps on both sides, left side only or right side only. So if we do this, for example, the text would only be on the left side. So I can move it over here, but no matter how far I move it to the side, the text won't reappear on this side. Or I can do the opposite thing and do right side only. So now you can see the text will only start on the right side. So let's say you're making an article, you have a small image up here. Let's say it's a profile picture of someone. Then you have the image right here. And yeah, now you can simply just play around. So you can click fix position on page and you can actually um, make this as a background. So you can go here, click behind text like I did before, and you can fill out the entire page with this image, including the header, and just adjust it. And now it's in a fixed position on the page. So let's say again, I make the text wide like this. And now you have a nice and Christmassy document. So you have many options to do whatever you want to do with the image. It just requires a bit of playing around with the image to actually figure it out. Um, but yeah, that is how you make some simple adjustments to your image in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.